Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create saved video collections on TikTok. So first, you need to open your TikTok and go to your profile, and then here go to the save post that you already saved before. And to create a collection, you just need to click on collection, and here if you want to create a new collections with your favorite videos, you can just click on plus create collection option and then choose the name, for example like this, and you can choose whether you want to make your collection public or private. I'm going to just make it private, and after that click on next. Then here you just need to select the video from your saved collection. For example, I want to add this one right here, and after that click on add videos, and just like that the videos has been added and your saved collections has been created just like that. Okay, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.